Starting in 3, 2, 1, crescendo!
The autonomous period for round 3, match 10 underway. Both teams fighting to stay in the playoffs. Here comes Team Elite with another note scored into that blue speaker as Blue leads with a score of 15-12 coming out of the autonomous period. Team 250 of the Blue Alliance, the Dynamos coming to life, trying to interrupt any scoring opportunities for the Red Alliance. Looks like they will be slamming into the Hurricanes, trying to prevent them from picking up those notes in the center of the field. Hurricanes making their way around the defenders, throw a note into an amped red speaker, earning them 5 points for their alliance. Looks like Team Elite picking up a note off the ground, throwing it into an amped blue speaker. That'll be 5 points for their alliance as well. Looks like there was a brief fight over a note in the center of the field, with Aftershock remaining victorious, taking it home to their red amp and dropping it in. 48 Team Elite with a note lining up for their amp and dropping it in to that blue amp. There's one more note required for a blue amplification, but Red already has an amplified speaker with Red Alliance robots seemingly not near the speaker. We'll see how that affects the results, but the E-Tech Chargers grab a note, sneaking it out of the blue source zone and lining up to that red speaker to score. Team Elite at the blue speaker, throwing in an amped shot to the speaker, followed up by stealing a note from the red source zone before throwing it into the still amped blue speaker. Hurricanes trying to match them with a note in the red speaker as well. Team 250 just sitting in front of the red speaker, trying to prevent any easy shots onto the red speaker. The score is 52-40 in favor of the Red Alliance. 30 seconds left on the clock. Let's see if the Blue Alliance can make a comeback in these last few seconds. Team Elite dropping a note off into their amp. The blue speaker is ready to amp, and Team 48 winding up a shot. The blue speaker gets amped. They throw it in, followed by another note, both of which are stolen from the Red Alliance source zones. The score is tied 54-54. Red robots up in the air. We'll see how this plays out. In our Red Alliance taking the win with a score of 62-55. All right, the 5th Alliance wins this one, moving on in the lower bracket to round 4, match 12.